He's just a good old boy who loves burning rubber and driving fast. You're tuned into the Clay Milligan YouTube channel where you never know what you're gonna see.
Ooh, it's a beautiful day out. Got baby D sitting outside, got Dentley outside, got my big old Dooley sitting outside. Iggy and Millie are outside. Just changed the oil in the Dooley. Whew, diesel oil's nasty. It just is what it is, but wanted to do a quick little at-home shop update for years, y'all. And you've seen me use it. My Lincoln Invertech V205. I'm not much of a welder. I can burn stuff together. Am I going to weld on the race car? Absolutely not. But I gotta tell you, I'm pretty excited about what I'm fixing to show you here. Check this out. While I was gone for testing, I had ordered a MIG welder. There it is. We got the Power MIG 211i. We also got a spool gun so we can do a little aluminum welding. Can't wait. I'm gonna bust this stuff open, check it out, and I gotta figure out my cart situation. You gotta have a nice welding cart, so I gotta figure that out. I have never welded with a MIG. All the stuff I've done for all the years, I've never welded with a MIG. So, just kind of enjoying the day, and like I said, change the oil in the Dooley, just doing stuff that needs to be done. It's been very busy. Y'all have been along for a lot of that. I'm gonna go to work and get a little stuff done here. Well, I've spent the last little while, and I didn't bore y'all with the details, but I've done something pretty cool, I think. Y'all tell me what you think. So, I had this cart that come from Lincoln for my Invertech V205 TIG welder. And of course, I got the new Power MIG 211. So I went and got some pieces, and I actually bolted together. And I turned my single shelf cart into a multi-shelf cart. I think it's pretty cool. Now I just got to figure out how to use a MIG welder. I know it's kind of strange that somebody knows how to TIG. And I'm not telling you I'm a welder, because I'm not, but I can melt stuff together. I'm excited to get this thing. I appreciate Lincoln Electric working with our race team, everything RWR. They definitely hooked me up. A new auto darkening shield, some aluminum wire, gloves, welding jacket, and the spool gun, which I think is freaking awesome. If I need to weld some aluminum, I'm not very good at TIG welding aluminum at all, but that'll make things a lot easier. But y'all tell me what you think about this cart, this setup. I think it's pretty slick. I like it. Lincoln Electric, thank you. Pretty dang cool stuff. It is a beautiful Sunday, and as you can see, I'm in the shop. I actually got Dentley out and drove it to town last night. Town being a place called Millington. It's about, 15 minutes away. I stopped at a store and found myself extremely nervous leaving it parked outside. I don't know why. It's got multiple hidden shutoffs on it, but a rollback could grab it whether it starts up or not. But I have washed and cleaned baby D. What am I doing on this beautiful Sunday? Well, I'm going to do some maintenance. Won't be long that the trailer back there hits the road. I already told y'all, I think that's in this video, I have serviced the motorhome, which I have named Tiffany. The GTO is still sitting here. I've got 5 gallons of premium, a little bit's going in here, and a little bit's going in the GTO. Kind of crazy. We spent a lot of money on this GTO. I have not driven it. I started it. First time I've ever bought a car without driving it. Started it, drove it on the trailer, pulled it home, started it, drove it off. Things are going to get moving soon on that. If y'all keep up with what's happening with the Street Outlaw guys, they're in Australia. So that means Jeff and Jeffrey are in Australia. When they get back, the GTO's headed north. All right, I'm jibber jabbering. Got some work to do. Maybe I'll show you. We'll see. It's nothing exciting, but stuff that's got to be done. Let's go to work. Maintenance item number 1. This fine Husqvarna HU67 5 all-wheel drive push mower. Gotta tell y'all a quick story. So I don't cut the grass. That is like Donna's golf game. She loves doing it. I have one job, and that's to make sure that this starts and the multiple other pieces of equipment in there start. That is my job. So this Husqvarna's got a goofy design. There is no drain plug. Actually, not that bad. With that pan, it flips right over, captures it. You can see it dripping in the pan. Maintenance item, lawnmower number 2. This fine LT 155 John Deere. 100% my OCD is kicking in. This thing is nasty. Look at that. Gross, nasty. Can't stand it. I'm making my maintenance day bigger. Busted out the old power washer. Okay. Lawnmower number 3 in Donna's collection. This is the Easy Track. What is it? Z645 John Deere. Maintenance day continues. Maintenance day always takes longer than you intend, don't it? Oil change, blowed out the air filter. Oil change, blowed out the air filter. Oh, pressure washed, oil change, blowed out the air filter, filter change. And Millie, what you doing? Bam, maintenance day. Oh, I changed the light bulb up there too. Really exciting stuff, y'all.